Why do some YouTube videos with millions of views? Is it the algorithm, expensive equipment, or something much simpler? Many creators spend hours filming and editing, but their videos don't perform well. The most successful YouTube channels don't stick to just one format. They try different types of content to see what works best and keeps their audience engaged. Understanding when and why each content type works can make a huge difference to your channel's growth. Whether you're a business, creator, or brand, the right content helps you reach more people, get more engagement, and grow your audience. Want to discover which YouTube content formats perform best and how to choose the right strategy for your goals? We've broken it all down in our latest guide, packed with practical tips and examples to help you create videos people actually want to watch. Visit the ClickDo website and read our Types of Content That Work Best on YouTube article to discover smarter content strategies, create engaging videos, and grow your YouTube channel.